Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the series of pharmaceutical jurisprudence, let us see the MCQ of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Truth 1945. This is a very important topic in competitive exams. So these MCQs are very important, and there are 30 questions regarding this Drug and Cosmetics Acts. Let us start with the first one. Schedule F2 prescribe the standards for ophthalmic preparations, cosmetics, umbilical taps, surgical dressings. I will tell the answers right now after the reading of the questions. And the answer is D, surgical dressings. That is, I will highlight this. That is the Schedule F2, that is surgical dressings. D. Schedule M prescribe the requirement of the factory premises, plant equipments, etc. for the manufacturing of homeopathic medicines, cosmetics, drugs, and medical devices. And the answer is A. Homeopathic medicines. Schedule H prescribes dash A. The list of drugs to be sold by retail only the prescription of the registered medical practitioner. B. The list of drugs to be taken only under the supervision of the medical practitioner. C. The list of the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. D. The list of diseases which drug may not claim to cure. And Schedule H, that is the list of the drugs to be sold by retail only on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner. That is 1A. Requirements and guidelines on the clinical trials for the important import and manufacture of the new drugs is prescribed is specified in clinical trials. A. Schedule D, Schedule B, Schedule X, C. Schedule K, D. Schedule Y. And the answer is D. Schedule Y. Drugs marketed under generic names only. They are specified in dash dash. A. Schedule V, Schedule B, Schedule W, C. Schedule Y, D. Schedule T. We have seen that is Y is a clinical trials. Then the correct answer is B. Schedule W. C. 6 1. Standard of the patent and priority medicine is specified in A. Schedule M, B. Schedule Q, C. Schedule V, D. Schedule T. That is standards of patents and priority medicines. That is Schedule V. Seventh one. Schedule B is related with dash dash A. Forms, B. GMP, C. Fees, D. Pharmacy. And the answer is fees. C. Fees. 8 1. List of permitted coal stars colors for the use of in cosmetics in the specified in dash dash A. Schedule X, B. Schedule Q, C. Schedule C, Schedule S, D. Schedule T. And the answer is Schedule Q. B. Ninth one. Standard of the quality in the respect to the drugs means that the drug complied the standard as specified in dash A. Second schedule, B. Schedule, C. First schedule, D. None. And the answer is second schedule. 10th one. Dash dash drugs are manufactured in the accordance with the formula described in the first schedule. A. Standard quality, B. Ayurveda Siddha Unani, C. Homeopathic, D. Allopathic. The drugs are manufactured in accordance with the formula described in the first dose. That is B. Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani. 11th one. Repacking of the drug includes all the processes except the following: A. Labeling and packing of the drug for sale. B. Breaking up the drugs from the bulk container. C. Distribution of the drug. D. Compounding and dispensing of the drug. And the answer is compounding and dispensing of the drug. That is D. Repacking of the drugs. 12th one. Cosmetic includes the following articles except dash A. Soap, B. Face powder, C. Shampoo, D. Lipstick. And the correct answer is soap. That is A. First one A. 13. The drug shall be deemed to be adulterated except if it dash A is manufactured under the sanitary conditions, B contains different colors other than those prescribed, C it is imported under the name that belonging to another drug, D contain filthy, purated or decomposed substances. And the correct answer is C. It imported under a name that belonged to another drug. It is adulterated drug except if it is. 14th. Drug store means a licensed premises of the sale of the drug that A. required the services of the qualified person and where the drug not compounded against the prescription. B. Do not require service of qualified person and where the drug are not compounded against the prescription. C. Do not require the services of qualified person and where drug were are compounded. D. None. And the answer is A. Required the service of the qualified person where drugs are not compounded against the prescriptions. 15. The Drug Technical Advisory Board is purely dash dash body. A. Administrative, the analytical, B. Analytical, C. Advisory, D. None. That is advisory body C. 16. Consultative Committee is constituted by dash A. DTAB, B. Central Council, C. State Government, D. Central Government. And the 16 is D. Central Government. In case of dash dash, the function of the Central Drug Laboratory is carried out at serologist and chemical examiner to Government of India. It condemns B. Vernal diseases reference laboratory, C. Polio vaccine testing laboratory, D. Intrauterine contraceptive devices. And the answer is Vernal diseases references laboratory B. 18th. Government analyst is appointed by central government or state government under the section of dash in relation to Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani system of the medicine. 18th. A 20, B 21, C 33F, D 21A. And the correct answer is C 33F. 19. Government analyst to be submit his report of drug analysis dash dash copies in form of dash A 21, B 313, C 413, D 52. And the correct answer is 313 B. 20. Report of the drug government analyst is held to be conclusive only if it is not challenged according to the procedure given within dash days of receipt of copy report by person from whom sample was taken. A 20, B 30, C 21, D 28. The answer is D 28. 21. The drug inspector, after inspection of the drug store, can order to stop sale of the drug for dash dash days. A 21, B 21, C 20, D 30. And the correct answer is C 20. 22. The drug inspector shall inspect the premises license for sale of the drug at least dash dash a year. A once, B twice, C thrice, D none. And the correct answer is B twice. 23. For the import of the drug specified in the Schedule X, the license shall be granted in A. Form 10A, B. Form 10, C. Form 20A, D. 20, Form 21. For the Schedule X, that is answer is A. Form 10A. 24. If the imported drugs is not forming part of the passenger baggage, such shall such a drug shall imported in A Form 10, B Form 10A, C Form 20A, D Form 12. And the answer is D Form 12. 25. For the manufacture of the drug specified in Schedule C and C1, applicants has to make an application to the licensing authority in form of dash, and the license is issued in form dash A 2425, B 2728, C 24F 25F, D 25 and 25A, and the answer is B 27 and 28. Inspection book for the repacking of the drugs shall be maintained in form A35, B24B, C25B, D25A, and the answer is A 35. 27. Loan license can be granted for the manufacturing of the drug specified in Schedule A, C, and C1, B, X, C other than C, C1 and X, D none. And the answer is other than C, C1 and X, that is C. 28. In pharmacy, a separate cupboard should be provided for the storage of dash a poisons, B cosmetics, B patent and priority medicines, D Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. And the answer is A poisons. 29. Prescription containing schedule lash drug should not be dispensed more than once unless prescriber given the dictionary directions to do so. A G, B W, C H and X, D C and C1. And the answer is C H and X. 13. No dash drug should be supplied as a physician sample. A schedule H, schedule B schedule G, C schedule C and C1, D schedule X. And the answer is schedule X. It is D. Let us quick revise all the questions from beginning. There are only 30 questions, but these questions are very important. It is schedule F2, that is surgical dressings. Schedule M, that is for the homeopathic medicines, manufacturing of homeopathic medicine. Schedule H, that the drugs which are only sold from the prescription of the registered medical practitioner, that are come under the Schedule H. And the Schedule Y is clinical trials, the import and manufacturing of the new drugs. The drugs marketed under generic name, that is Schedule W. The standard of patent and priority medicine is Schedule B. The Schedule B is related with the fees. The list of permitted coal tar colors for the use of cosmetics is specified in Schedule Q. The standard of the quality and that is Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani. 11th one, repacking of the drugs includes all the process except, it is given as except, that is decompounding and dispensing of drugs. That is repacking includes all this A, B, C, that is labeling, packing, breaking of the drugs from bulk containers, C distribution of drugs. 12th one is cosmetics includes the following articles except, that is soap is not included in cosmetics. BCD, that is face powder, shampoo, lipstick are included in cosmetics. 13. A drug shall be deemed to be adulterated except if it is C is imported under the name that belong to another drugs. 14th, it is A. Drug Technical Advisory Board, that is C advisory boards. 16, that is drug consultative committee is constituted by, that is central government. In the case of dash, the function of the central drug laboratory is carried out by serologist, that is Vernal Disease Reference Laboratory. 18th, government analyst is appointed by central government or state government under the section 33 FC. That is it is a very important question. 19, government analyst has to submit his report of the drug in dash dash copies in form dash. It is also very important question. B 3 to 13. 2020, a report of the government analyst is held to be conclusive only if it is not challenged according to the procedure given within dash dash days of the receipt of copy of report by person from whom sample taken. That is D28. 21, the drug inspector after inspection of the drug store can be ordered to stop sale of the drug. That is C20. That is drug inspector have to visit twice a year to the shop of a medical shop. That is schedule X is for granted in form 10A. That is imported drugs is not forming a part of passenger baggage, such as drugs shall be imported in D form 12. C and C1 scheduled applicant has to make an application to license authority in form of 27 and license issued in form of 28. Inspection body of the repacking of the drug shall be maintained in form of 35. Loan license can be granted for the manufacturing of the drugs specified in schedule other than C, C1 and X. In pharmacy, a separate cupboard should be provided for the storage of A poisons. That is, a separate cupboard should be provided for the poisons. Prescription containing schedule dash drug should not be dispensed more than once unless prescriber given the direction to do so. That is C, H and X. 13. No dash drug should be supplied as a physician sample. That is schedule X. The drugs which are included in schedule X should not be supplied as a physician sample. These are the 30 questions and these are the answer key. You can note down this answer if you want. And the pharmaceutical jurisprudence topics such as the Pharmacy Act, D&C Act, Drug and Machinery Remedy Act, TPCO Act, all these topics MCQ are available on this channel. I have made up a separate playlist for this. You can check on my channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.